What's up YouTube, this is Joy from aj23shoes.com. Today's review, let's look at two pairs of Yeezy Boost 350 weight shoe, Bred and Yeezy. Okay, first let's start with the Bred colorway. As always, it comes with the little sticker in the shoes. And next, let's check the shoes box. First, check the shoe sticker. Here says Yeezy Boost 350 weight shoe, color black, and we update the stickers already because it is sea black. Okay, and it's 11.5. Check the shoes top box with the it comes with the good stitching. The pattern looks very good. And the pure tab with the red dots on it. The uptrend and the red 350 SPLY words inside. We got the white Adidas Yeezy logo on the insole, and we got the inside tag. Check here. The three stripes on this part, and the all black shoes lace. Very perfect shoes lace, and the shoes tongue. The midsole, and also with the real material boost. And we got the Adidas logo on this part. Another pair. We can have a quick look on it. Next pair is the Yeezy Boost 350 weight shoe, the Yeezy colorway. This one will release on this month too, so I have already made a detailed review about it. But today, let's look at it again. It comes with the cream white silver stitching and the white shoes lace. White straight stripes and the white pure tab, and this is the inside. The inside stitching. And let's check the label of the zebra. It's also the 11.5 size, and this is the barcode. This is Joy from aj23shoes.com. Don't forget to subscribe me to get the newest videos about the shoes review. And if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Leave me a comment if you like. See you next video. Peace. This is how we do.